Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to deposit ton on Tonkeeper wallet. Let's get started. Start by opening Tonkeeper on your device. Tap on the wallet icon at the top. Select the wallet where you want to receive the fund. Tap on Receive. Now copy the code given below. Simply tap on the copy icon to copy. Now go back. Tap on the wallet icon again. Now select the wallet that you want to deposit the ton from. Tap on Send icon. Now paste the link that you just copied at the top. Then enter the amount that you want to deposit. After you're done, tap on Continue at the bottom. And that is how to deposit ton on Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.